Welcome. Let's get moving. Boost our mood, elevate our energy in this simple 10-minute, low-impact cardio and strength building workout. Get the blood flowing, the blood pumping today. We just move every single day so that we can go about our daily activities with incredible strength and ease. Just a nice, simple march just to get the blood flowing. I have a makeshift chair here. This rock is my chair. If you've got a chair nearby, please grab it for a couple exercises in today's session. Let's really take ownership of our energy. Don't let anything outside of us affect what's going on the inside. For me, that's the ultimate goal. No matter what the situation is, the challenge I face, can I stay uplifted, positive, feel good about it? No, I cannot at this point, but I will continue to strive and work towards that one day at a time, one movement at a time. All right. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Just nice and loose up on the balls of the feet. Oh, head up high. Just gonna little kind of baby squats. If you're bending to pick something up, we're not going very deep yet. We want these strong legs, long life. Funny, once you start looking something up, that's all you hear about now. All I get more and more information about the importance of the strength in our legs. So we can have a sharp mind as we age. Reach down. As you go down, pull up. Feel it in the triceps so we get a little bit of mobility in the upper back on our way up. But let's go with a little bit of pace. We want some cardio work today. Bring real presence into everything we do, as always. Couple more. Okay. Arms up. Just pump the arms. Pump. Tap the toe. Not we're tapping the toe. Tap the heel. Excuse me. As we do that. Really move those arms. Feel it in the shoulders. Get that coordination going with the legs. So not only do we build the strong legs, but we do exercises that make us have to think. Okay, see? We boosted our mood already. Lovely. I think it's better to go quicker right now. Let's do it. Come on, a few more. Feel that. Feel the burn. And shake it out. Oh, hallelujah. I got my chair. It's all about functional fitness. What's more functional than getting on and off a chair? Let's practice that right now. So we want to have our arms up. Engage your core and sit down in your chair. No hands. If you need to use your hands as a bit of support, that's fine. You do that. Let's just go up and down. Let's just keep moving. Connect to the breath. Engage the core. Feel that strength you're building in your legs. Incredible balance. Be so present. Connect the breath to the movement. Head up. Oh yeah. It can be challenging. Let's go 5 more with a bit of pace. 2, 1. Ooh, shake that out. Let's get our good lateral movement in today. Can you cross over the legs. You can go forward, back, just move them dynamically. If you have some space, if you don't have space, you could just tap over to the side. We just want to get the blood flowing, the heart rate up, but also move in dynamic ways that support mobility and strength. Okay, let's come back to the middle here. I'm just gonna go with a side bend, squat-ish. Just a dynamic move. We bend down a bit, but get that good stretch in the side body. We're continuing to build core stability, but we want to move with pace. About a bit of a cardio workout. We want to incorporate as much as we can. Cardio, mobility, strength, flexibility. Hallelujah. 10 minutes to own our energy. We are the ones who determine how happy and healthy we are. With that mindset, I am strong. I am young. I am healthy. And so we will be. Manifest that in your life. Just envision that perfect movement each time. You just sink a little deeper, get a little stronger, one moment, one movement at a time. Yes. And last one. Brilliant. I want to step and reach up. So step with a bit of pace. Get those arms up as high as you can. This is great for upper back mobility. And tap that toe out there. But let's go. Bring all your awareness into this move. As we pick up the pace. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Let's come back to that. That feels pretty good. I know it's been a lot of squats. We've got to build leg strength. Reach down. Opposite hand. Can you touch? Look at me. Can we keep our head up? If ever you feel like it, what this is pop squat. You're welcome to pop up a little bit. Or maybe this is where you're at. What a great movement this is. I have a little baby pop in me. These are still not perfect here. Oh. But let's pick up the pace of it. No matter if you're here or here, let's just go with a little bit more pace. Get that heart rate up. Boost our mood. Get that feel-good energy flowing. I want myself to look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Give yourself a hug. We got to come back to our chair. 10 more up and down from our chair. If you're not feeling that, just a little squat. Let's keep building that incredible core stability and leg strength. And if you need to use your hands, give yourself a little assistance. It's fine. think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I've lost complete count, so 2 more, why not? Come on. Shake it out. I don't count a lot of things anymore. Push-ups are stuff. I'd rather be present and just focus on doing it rather than getting to a number. Well done. I feel good. Whew, that pushed me too. Well done. Let's bring a little moment of presence together. Let's just listen to the sounds of our environment. Just connect to your breath and notice the sounds without any judgment, not labeling something as noise or unpleasant. They're just sounds in the environment. How can we let those pass through us? And just notice without any of the inner dialogue, the mental noise, the judgmental thinking. I own my energy. I control what's on the inside. I'm the only one in there. So if I'm angry, frustrated, annoyed, I'm the one doing it. I don't know how well you can hear, but just as I'm saying all that, as a truck comes by, when we start to think in that way, it really made me smile and laugh. It's this, like, how ironic, how perfect is that this beautiful forest, the trees, the birds chirping, we want to be peaceful and still, and the truck comes by. That's the good stuff. That's the challenge. That's the stuff we want. It's like, oh, life is just going to throw situations at us. How do we deal with it? Do not let what's outside of us affect what's going on the inside. We get that concept, wow, life becomes incredibly beautiful. One day at a time though, right? Thank you for showing up. It truly does matter. Remember, comment, let me know, job done, showed up, inspire me, inspire others. It really does matter. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.